Hey everyone, it's David at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here at Cars and Coffee Palm Beach in, April. And they're having a sort of a combo event with Barrett Jackson. They're here as a guest. But the Barrett Jackson auction is going to be here in a couple of weeks, and they brought out a little display of cars, so let's go check that out. So I'm not going to waste any time at all and just get straight to the action. It's like a red chrome and silver chrome Bugatti Veyron. See my reflection. See, there's a 35th anniversary Corvette C4, which nobody's looking at, as you can see. Here is the Tramonti something or the other, Tramontana. I saw this at Prestige Imports a couple of weeks ago, so maybe they're auctioning it off. This thing is wild. It looks like a Formula One, like a huge Formula One car. Mid-engine, it's got the exhaust on the side. Jesus. This is nuts. Wow. Oh, check this thing out. Wow, that's beautiful. Check out this clean S13. Good stuff, man. Alright. Let's go over to the exotic and see what's here. GTR. McLaren 570S. Orange McLaren 570S. Revolve NSX. Yeah, GT3 RS. Looks like he's just about to leave. Another GT3 RS, two of them. Well, actually, this is GT3. GT3 RS 997. A lot of Porsches today. Oh, nice. Jaguar SVR. Oh, look at this. Look at this Scuderia. Very nice. What else is out here? Porsches all over the place. Porsche takeover here. AMG GTS. Yas Marina Blue M4. In case you haven't noticed or haven't realized it yet, Yas Marina is the name of a racetrack in Yas Marina. So, and you have a new NSX next to some of the older models. These are actually really cool. Check this out. So this one has a black lip. This one has a slightly different red painted lip. This one is on Volk Racing wheels. And this one's got HRE wheels. Oh, I'm digging the tan leather on this car. So you have the Ferrari colors, and you got the resale red with resale tan. This one has a black interior. And this one, I think they might have a wide body kit, because this, I'm not sure if that fender arch is supposed to be there. Digging the vent. This one's got a side skirt on it. Oh, they both have side skirts. And a carbon fiber wing. Oh man, look at this. Look at this Mazda Miata. The ND Miata. Sound like I'm thinking that might be like a Rocket Bunny kit. Wide body kit with work wheels. That's probably the real deal. I guess the stock interior. It's a good looking interior from the get-go, so not much needed to change. Jeez, this looks wild. Well, you always see black Trans Ams with a gold chicken. Here's a gold Trans Am with a brown chicken. Oh, the Screaming Phoenix, but look at this. This is different. Oh, the theme continues inside. I wonder if this is like an OEM setup. Yeah, so you got the Phoenix in the middle and the badge and the steering wheel.
Got tires and got the tire plus.
There we go. Brown and dark brown cloth leather seats, two-tone.
They had run fence on the other car. They had run fence on this.
It's got a 6.6 liter V8. You know what? That's a functional hit. That's a functional fender vent. You actually go into it. And looks like it might have an automatic transmission. And retro radio with it. Looks like a 8-track. Huh, cool. Bro, you've been on this donut for 2 months.
I hit a pothole.
You've been on this donut for 2 months.
No, I hit a pothole recently.
You hit another pothole?
Yeah, and it fucked up my back.
Again?
Like,
what happened to your bumper?
Okay, my bumper was never connected properly. So when I hit the pothole, my bumper just like ripped out. It ripped out.
What the hell? How'd you do this?
I was going 90 on 95.
Well, stop doing 90 and 95. You gotta take it less.
On a donut too last time.
Jeez, on a donut. You're doing 90 on a donut. It says max 50. You're not supposed to exceed 50.
Hey, it's my daily project car. Come on.
Right.
Daily project.
I'm gonna get some food.
Alright, take it easy.
Alright, just got done with a delicious meal over at Waffle Wagon Food Truck. And looks like it's getting pretty late. The event's winding down, so it basically becomes a rolling car show as all the cars are leaving. So we're gonna check out some of the cars that are leaving. Oh, I see Julia with the red FRS. I see brand new F10 M5. A lot of nice stuff. I actually saw a couple of G30 5 Series on the way here, so they're somewhere in the show. I don't know where they went. Rivet! Rivet! Nice, got a black and red camo wrap. What? It's a golf cart on airbags? Jeez. Look at this Civic. Here's the car that's on my radar, Jaguar XKR. This is a 2-door sports coupe. Gee, look at the interior. Oh, nice. Black leather seats. And under the hood, it's all covered in plastic. It's terrible. So, I believe this is a 5-liter, I think, supercharged V8. Making 503 horsepower. It's got the hood. The hood opens forward, gives it kind of a classic look. And this is actually a hatchback. The hinge is actually up right here, so it gives you plenty of storage space, plenty of access to the storage space as well. Oh, nice! Just got the OK. Oh, nice! Got the auto down. And the window switches do feel a little bit cheap, but let's see. It's just the window switch. I could forgive it. Pretty comfortable. So the seat controls are here. So this, I don't know what this does. Oh, this controls the position of the seat pan. This leans it back, and this pulls it away. Cool. Let's see if I can turn this on. Nope, can't. Oh, there we go. Please dock device. Okay, so I can't really play with the radio. Oh, maybe I can.
well, but also
Okay, so it's got a kind of this really slow system. I don't like it. See how it goes? Just go in and out before actually doing anything.
Yep. But
Huh. I wonder if there's some kind of perhaps aftermarket solution that allows you to put in like a doubled-in head unit in here or something. Nice. Let's see, from left to right, we got this trunk open, fuel door. Looks like the fog lights and something else, maybe the rear fog light, and that's the dash brightness control. Here you got volume. Oh, this is interesting. This is not a wheel. This is, well, it is a wheel of sorts, but you pull it down and it releases, so it's more of a button. Huh, that's interesting. Same thing here. It's the voice activation. Could be answer the phone too. Change the source. This is your cruise control settings. And it's got paddle shifters here. On this, I think it's a 6-speed automatic. ASL, I'm not sure what that does. Might be stability control. It's got a push button start. And none of that silly business with put the key in first and then push the button. I think you just pop in, hit the button, you're good to go. Electronic parking brake. This is interesting. The cup holders are two different sizes. This one is larger than this one. It's different. And you can see the shifter bezel is actually secured by security torch bits. That's for some reason, I don't know why. That's one way to do it. So you got the ashtray with the cigarette lighter there. This is the climate control over here. Spacious glove box. This is a great GT car. There we go. Just requires a little more effort. And we got what's in here. Let's see. Oh, we got USB iPod built in, so that's useful. That's very good. And this is for something. This is just the. I don't know what this would be for. It's just a little tiny thing. Very nice. Let's pop the trunk real quick. See if I can. Oh, there you go. Trunk here. Oh. Look at that. Huge. You got a ton of space. You can even sit here. You can sit on this if you needed to. You could have a tailgate party in the back of your Jag. Plenty of space for a suitcase, coolers, you know, whatever you might be traveling with. This is perfect. Then you just pull down on the trunk, and you're done. Check this out. This is Livy's Audi Q5. This is cool. So this is a white Q5. It's on rotiform wheels, all blacked out. There you go. Look at that. And it's got this really, really cool Louis Vuitton wrap over it with the Supreme logo in the middle, and it wraps all the way around the car. There you go, at Supreme Audi. Follow her. All right, guys. Event's over. Everybody's leaving. Event's winding down. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. And be sure to subscribe, you know, and leave a comment and all other cool stuff. So catch you guys later.